Hello, JK friends. I hope you've had an excellent Tuesday so far. It's just a yolk. Okay, I'm not going to be able to continue doing this if I make egg puns the whole time. I'll crack myself up. And then my thoughts will get all scrambled and I can't. Okay, I'm done. Anyways, JK friends, welcome back to my home and welcome to today's recess adventure where we are discussing the incredible edible egg. I am honored to be sharing with you a little bit about eggs today. In fact, honestly, if I put my hood on, I probably look a bit like an egg. Do we like this? Is it working? It's a bit Star Wars, but we'll leave it going. Guys, I just really, really love eggs. I love cooking with eggs. I love decorating with eggs, hunting eggs. There are lots of things you can do with eggs, and we're going to do 3 amazing, nay, incredible things with eggs today. JK friends, if I'm being quite honest, I consume probably over a dozen eggs per week. I mean, first of all, I eat like an omelet a day. That's like my quarantine go-to. I scramble them, I put it in my fried rice. I like them soft-boiled, like as a snack, or in my ramen. I like them hard-boiled. I made some chicken salad the other day, and I felt like it needed some eggs in it.
Deep fried, stir fried, there's pineapple shrimp, lemon shrimp, coconut shrimp.
They're a good ingredient in like a hair mask. I don't know why you guys would be using hair masks, but I dry up the shells and crunch them up and I put them in the soil in my plants. You can also start off seeds inside of eggshells. If you guys, when I gardened with you, I could have done it inside of the eggshells I had piling up. We'll stop at 10 uses, but honestly guys, my favorite, not my favorite, but one of my top 5 meals to eat is Eggs Benedict. So this isn't about me, it's about you, but more importantly, it's about the incredible egg. Now, if you didn't know, this is what an egg looks like. And it has 3 important parts. The outside of the egg. It has a shell. There are 2 pieces that you may know about, you may not know about, but it has egg whites, which is kind of clear, but when you cook it, it turns white. And it has a yolk, which is yellow or sometimes even orangey. It really depends on where, on what you feed the chickens that are, okay guys, disclaimer, I learned this on the internet. I know that if you feed a lot of corn to a chicken, then the eggs that they lay have a more vibrant yellow yolk. And for cuisines that like it to be really aesthetically pleasing, which you guys know I'm all about that, then it is important to know what you're feeding the chickens to make the eggs have a certain kind of color.
Is the yolk color unique?
本来は黄色いが本来なんです。トウモロコシの色ですから、日本は色つけてるんです。
どうやってつけてるんですか？
唐辛子とパプリカと。
Wow, spicy.
So today we are going to examine these 3 key parts of an egg: the shell, the yolk, and the egg white, and some of the incredible things that it can do. First part of an egg we're going to talk about today is the egg shell. Animals a lot of times have something that needs to protect them. When baby ducks are growing inside of eggs, like you're going to see in class, or in chicken eggs like this, when there's baby chickens inside, they're not ready to face the big bad world. They need protection. So they have this shell to keep them safe. Now, JK friends, I don't know if you've ever wondered, what does an egg look like without its shell? Wouldn't it be interesting to see what this looked like before it cracked, if the shell was still on it? If only there were a way that science had provided to give us a look into an egg, to give us X-ray vision and allow us to see what an egg looks like on the inside. Well, look no further, JK friends. Do I have an experiment for you? That's right, we are going to make this shell disappear. It's actually super easy, guys. You just need a clear container and some vinegar and an egg and some patience. Moving on to the inside of an egg. There, of course, are the two pieces we're talking about today, the egg white and the yolk. And JK friends, because I've learned over the past couple of weeks that you guys like testing out recipes, I'm gonna throw some interesting ones at you today. Each of these recipes focuses on either the egg white or the egg yolk, and I'll go ahead and tell you about what they are. Let's start with the egg white because we're working our way to the middle of these little babies. So the egg white, you're gonna see when we crack into these eggs in this video, is kind of clear, and weirdly enough, when you mix it with sugar, it actually can turn into something called meringue. Now, if you've ever had meringue, big connection sign, you know it's delicious. It's used in a lot of desserts, and I'm gonna show you how to make a miniature meringue dessert today called Baked Alaska.
Morning bakers, and welcome to your Showstopper Challenge. Now, Paul and Mary would like you to make something fabulously retro. It's a Baked Alaska. We're talking sponge, frozen center, meringue, coat. Weird.
And guys, I'm gonna be real honest, I have very specific opinions on this dessert. Along with the meringue, this dessert is going to involve cake and ice cream. Now in my family, there's really only one flavor of ice cream and one flavor cake that reigns supreme. We are a mint chocolate red velvet household, which means I'm gonna go bake a bunch of cupcakes and I'll see you when I'm done. Okay guys, finished the cupcakes, and yes, I know they're square, it's because I smushed them all in that pan together. Well, JK friends, I've seen a lot of super interesting things happen today. I saw an egg shell disappear. I saw a gooey egg white turned into a delicious dessert. And I saw the very center, the yolk of an egg, somehow regenerate itself into a baby chick. True magic and mystery was caught on camera today. I hope that you have a chance to give all of these experiments a try as we dive further into the amazing, wonderful, incredible world